And that's why I said it's really common to have a version string in your manifest file, and you keep updating that version string. This can be quite a pain, but it isn't too hard. So once we have an app cache on the user's machine, on every subsequent load, the resources will be loaded from that app cache, even when you're online. If it's an HTML resource with the manifest, for example that master page we started with, then we'll start an async update of that manifest file at the same time, and then continue loading the rest of the page. Now if the manifest has been changed, the browser will update the files in a new application cache. But remember, it's already loaded the page. It may be done loading the page by this point, since we do want to be offline first, and we want to make sure that the page gets loaded as quickly as possible. By the time the manifest file has been downloaded in the background, the user is probably already off looking at cat videos out of the application cache. Now you can detect when a new cache has been downloaded and there's new content available. You can listen for an update ready event on the window application cache object. The window application cache represents the application cache system, and you can get things like the status and progress and tell it specifically to do things like update the cache or swap the cache out. So you have a lot of control over the application cache. This code here checks for an update ready event, and if there is actually an update ready, then it'll actually ask the user, is it okay to reload this? And if so, it swaps the cache out and reloads.